it's Renee with Delaney Jane Cards. Welcome back to my channel in another video in my 2019 Christmas card series. This set of cards is 100% inspired by the core team on the Collective Creators. If you've never heard of the Collective Creators, I would encourage you to go check it out at thecollectivecreators.com. The core team is Courtney Kreeber, Mary Polanco, and Jenn Bena from Bena Creations. And I will explain to you why this is inspired, or how this is inspired by them. First of all, the globe, the world, is from the Collective Creators exclusive set that they released their first month that they were up and running as the Collective Creators. So I wanted to use that set, but a few videos back, Mary Polanco did a video using globes and made some Christmas cards. Joy to the world Christmas cards. So that's what we're doing here. We are using this Joy, Joy, Joy stamp from Penny Black, and the reason this works so well is it's a really thick lined stamp, and that globe is a fine line stamp. So I'm using the same color embossing powder. I could have used a different color, but I really wanted to keep this simple, and purple and gold are colors that Jenn Bena uses often. So this is where her simplicity comes into play. She is the master of clean and simple cards, and these are pretty clean and simple. So that is where Jenn Bena has inspired me to make these. So far we've touched on Mary Polanco and Jenn Bena, and we are to the point in this card where these are really super simple and they're really easy to mass produce and recreate, and I could have made 100 of them. It would have been no big deal. Here's a trick I wanted to show. I scored all my card bases and folded them, and then I folded them backwards to stamp the inside of my card, to finish off the inside of my card. I wanted to use my mini Misty here, and I just flipped them backwards. That way nothing hangs out, and I don't get any weird crease lines. So we still haven't touched upon the Courtney Kreeber part of this, and here we go. So Courtney is really big on tone-on-tone backgrounds, ink blending, stencils, just kind of adding more neutral type backgrounds to her cards, because if you haven't stopped by her channel, you should. She makes some beautiful colored scenes. Copic coloring is like her jam. Anyway, this is my take on Courtney. I am tone-on-tone stamping these snowflakes in the background, and this is really cool because as the ink dries, you end up not being able to see them unless they are in direct light, and then they're very, very visible. But if you just set this on your table or desk, you're not going to see them. So that's the really subtle part of this that screams Courtney Kreeber to me. A really cool background that's tone on tone. I didn't ink blend. That would have been right up her style too, but I did do this tone on tone background. So you've seen Mary Polanco's influence, Jenn Bena's influence, and Courtney Kreeber's influence to make this beautiful set of cards. I absolutely think that they are gorgeous. They are, like I said, super easy to mass produce. I could have made so many of them in so many colors too, but this purple, that was all Jenn. This is also kind of a combination of all three, finishing with the Nouveau Sparkle pen. I did that just on the globes, and those are the 6 cards. Super simple. I absolutely love them. Thank you for stopping by today. I'd like to know, do you create simple cards? Are you inspired by any YouTubers in particular? These 3 were my inspiration for today. And have you checked out the Collective Creators? I'm there. I know lots of other crafty people are there. I'd love to see you there. Thank you for stopping by, and as always, give cards generously. Bye!